name's Colin. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a Nerf gun with paper and balloons. Let's get started. First off, you need a Nerf dart, of course. So you want to roll it gently around the paper. Okay, guys? And get the shape. Yeah, get the shape. And you want to get a little bit of tape. Not that much. Just a little bit. And tape it there. Tape it here. You want to make it pretty nice. So you want to cut the ends of it to make it nice. Make sure the darts can fall out. In this case, I can't fall. My dart sucks. So my dart can't fall. It's fail for us. So you need to break the tape and make it again. Yay, let's give it. Guys, now you get your dart pass through over here. It's success for you guys now. What you want to do next? You're ready. Duct tape. It's optional, completely optional for this step, but you need to get them duct tape. We want to
make it tactical.
Yeah, tactical.
Tactical duct tape
To make
it.
Alright guys, I did a little bit of wrapping here. It looks like a gun, I think. And you want to put your dart here. So you make a space for your gun. Put a dart here. In the big space. I'll cut a little bit to make the gun shorter. These will be used for decorations, okay? So you don't need to fray. Okay, just like this. Nice. And then you want to get your balloon out. Pump it. Oh shoot. That's why you can't trust China. So get a little clip for it. Or you don't want to get a clip for it. So what you're gonna do is you want to cut a hole for this. Not cut a hole actually. You want to twist your balloon several times. Twist your balloon several times. Make the hole bigger so that it can fit your barrel lug. Just like this. It's not even tight to put it. It's a little bit hard, and a few tries later, you can success it. Okay guys, after you do it, I cut it a little bit, and you want another stuff, okay? You roll it, roll it, roll it. Make sure it's really tight inside there, so like this. Oh my gosh. I guess I need to skip it. Do some magic over here. Can you see this thing over here? 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, freeze here. Look at the magic. Thanks for the magic. By the way, so now you want to adjust it. You want to see, can it fit it? If you can't,
connect to the Bluetooth.
You just want to squeeze it. Psych, 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 psych. The first one is just for assistance. You can remove the first one. If you don't have enough space for the big thing, if you have, you can do it like this. Just like this. And yeah, you want to stick it together. Just like this. Now, what is it actually is, it's your pumping action, okay? You're pumping the dart out. The dart's here. So you want to pump it out if you want to shoot now. But you can see there's no power.
It's not enough.
It's not enough power. So to get power, first off you need to cut down it first because it's too long and stuff. Make sure it's like this big, I think. Yeah. Pow.
Pow.
Yasiko's pew pew rifle.
Pew.
Yasiko's pew pew rifle. I love it.
That heavy AK set.
No, it's pretty good.
Really?
Yeah. The
Okay.
dart in. Like this. And you have the dart, you can load it up.
He didn't use much strength, so
It seems like
it's not a bit. It's just a little bit far.
okay, let's cut it more. Let's cut
Can I
more.
try?
Later, okay, Charles?
Okay, fine. I can wait. I have patience.
Nah. Who cares about patience? I don't care about patience. Cause I don't have patience. Okay, just joking. And then you folks want to take a balloon out after you're done. After you're done, you folks want to take a balloon out. You want to borrow the strength of a balloon, okay? So it's like this, okay? And you want to stretch raise your balloon real quick first. You want tape it. You want to tape one at the really end of it. If your balloon's not that stretch wrist, you need to like kind of cut it a bit.
Cut the tippy top.
Tippy top. Charles, I'll stretch it. Tell me.
Okay. These balloons are easier to snippy when you cut it.
Okay, after you do it, tape it here. So you want to tape one at the end first. I'll tape one at the end. I fit it in and tape it the balloon, and I decorate it with some duct tape. And you folks should make something like this.
Yeah, folks should make something like this. You hold it. Whoa!
You folks should make something like this.
Okay,
Let's see all
do
the firing.
firing.
Video where I tell you guys how to mod it and it can shoot further, more attachments, DIYs and stuff. This is the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. And bye.